Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are bringing you a brand new penny stock to the channel. I haven't spoken about this one on my channel before yet. However, I have been buying for some time. I put this in a Discord about a month or so ago and occasionally have nibbled away at this one here and there, adding to my position. I am currently up around about 20%, I think. However, of course, I'm not looking to take 20%. I'm looking to take 100 plus. So I think there is massive gain still. This is a renewable energy company in a sector which I haven't really seen anybody else doing. Lots of exciting things to come. It is speculative because it's a penny stock, but hopefully you will enjoy this one. I'm going to break it down, my thoughts, what this company does, financials, etc. If you appreciate all of this, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. We're constantly adding to our penny stock series, along with bringing you growth, stable, value stocks, etc. So let's get into this one, okay? If you want to join our Discord and get these ones when I'm buying, that is completely free. First link in the description. So let's go into this one. Ocean Power Technologies, okay? Ticker symbol OPTT. This is a penny stock with a market cap of around about 180 million. Okay, so what this is, their vision is transforming the world through innovative ocean energy solutions. They deliver durable, reliable, cost-effective ocean energy solutions that enable new capabilities for our customers and partners, value to our shareholders, and inspire employees and enhance the environment. In a nutshell here, this is a company which is utilizing wave energy, okay? So you haven't got to worry about solar, wind, etc., wind power. You need a bit of wind, solar, you need a bit of sun. Ocean Power Technology just needs the waves, and there is constantly an ocean there, okay? There's constantly going to be waves. This is enhancing this. It is capitalizing on this renewable energy source. I haven't seen anybody doing exactly what this company are doing, okay? So let's go into exactly what they're about here. They say that Ocean Power Technology, I'm just going to call it OPT, maintains its leadership status in wave energy-based renewable energy through its research and development. Their Power Buoy system, which is their main product, we're going to get into it, integrates patented technology in hydrodynamics, electronics, power conversion, and energy storage, and their intelligent computer control system to maximize the extraction and conversion of the natural energy in ocean waves. Like I said, this is a natural energy source, and they are capitalizing on this. The result is a leading-edge, ocean-tested, proprietary power conversion and management system, which is turning wave power into reliable, clean, and environmentally beneficial electricity for offshore applications. We know the world is moving in an energy-efficient direction, and with the help of the new administration and the Democrats, this is really going to see companies like this take off, okay? I'm investing into a couple of other renewable energy companies, which you may have seen on my channel as well, and one of them being in my top 3. Ocean Power Technology is a penny stock, but I'm very much excited by the prospects of this company. So let's go into this Power Buoy. I think the best way to explain about this is just going to show you this video. It's pretty self-explanatory when you see it, okay? We're just going to let this play through. So they deliver it on general ships, lower it into the ocean, and over time it will go into its position. This is about 30 seconds. So I'm going to stop the video there, okay, because it's got lots of exciting things, but hopefully you can gauge understanding of what this system is doing. I want to go and show you exactly what it delivers. They say it will reduce the operational costs, eliminating frequent maintenance visits to the service traditional energy sources. Okay, because it's just there doing its thing. It provides real-time data with the enhanced density enabled by the availability of increased electrical power, and it's allowing more effective operational decisions for improved asset utilization. It has greater availability of reliable power, and that is enabling the introduction of new technical solutions and enhanced capability. And it is proactive control and fault analysis of equipment through real-time remote desktop user control monitoring. So that's their Power Buoy, and the different requirements of the following markets is defense and security, oil and gas, science and research, and communications. So that's their main product. They do have a few other products. I won't go into detail about all of these, but they also have the hybrid power buoy, and the hybrid power buoy stores power for service and subsea payloads on board in lithium ion and primarily charged via solar panels. Okay, the combination makes the hybrid power buoy a low to zero carbon power solution, and that is how a lot of these sectors are going now. They need to find carbon zero, carbon neutral areas, and this is one of them. Hybrid power buoy as well. Then they have their subsea battery. Okay, this is a solution. It's an economical and reliable way to power subsea payloads. Energy is stored in this in a high capacity, and it is zero maintenance and environmentally friendly. So that's their subsea battery. And then we had this one more thing come up around about February time, just this year, very recently. Okay, latest news: Ocean Power Technologies acquire Freetrade Technology. This is a subsidiary company of Ocean Power Technology, and they say the acquisition from the CEO here, George. The acquisition of Freetrade Technology brings tremendous expertise in offshore engineering to Optt and our customers by providing complete project lifecycle engineering services from its concept through installation to decommissioning, including early stage feasibility and design. Together, we are well positioned to bring added value to our customers while expanding to new markets such as ocean renewables. So that is their new acquisition of Freetrade Technology, and you can see here this is focused on the offshore engineering and design sector. This is very early stages for this company because they acquired these in February time. However, of course, this company has been running for a while. So it's something else to look forward to in terms of financials and potential revenue income from Ocean Power Technologies. So in a nutshell there, that is what this company's doing. That's their products, their services. It is an ocean renewable energy company, okay, using wave energy basically, with a few different services and products. Let's go into their total addressable market. Now you can see here, this is of course the total addressable market. It is not exactly what they're earning at the moment, but this is the potential out there. Communications sector via Wi-Fi, $0.5 billion market. The science and research sector, $2 billion market. Defense and security, and this is not necessarily for wartime. This is early detection, maritime security, illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing prevention, which is a massive thing. We'll go into that in a minute. $3.5 billion market, and then the oil and gas sector, which is a $2.5 billion market. Now we can look at their target market share by Optt solution. $88 million in data and connectivity, $164 million in monitoring and surveillance, and $100 million in subsea power, which of course helps with their subsea battery product that they have. To quickly touch back on this illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing prevention, you can see that this power buoy also has marine lights, wind sensor, and a radar and a HD/IR camera. Okay, and this is great because you can see here, illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing is a global problem that threatens the ocean ecosystems and sustainable fisheries, and this represents up to 29 million tons of fish caught annually, valued at $10 billion to $23 billion. So this can really be helped with this, and they say it can utilize to monitor illegal activities and enable IUU enforcement. They say this is the go-to solution provider for remote offshore power surveillance and communications. They are the first mover advantage with a strong IP. We'll go into the IP portfolio in a moment because it is very strong indeed. They have strengthening opportunity pipeline, focusing on multi-unit orders, new products that capture more of our addressable market, not including the new acquisition since then, which is the Freetrade Technology, experienced and disciplined management, and a sustainable product line. So that's their why should invest. And I agree with all of that thing, big things to come. Let's have a quick look at their financials because their third quarter financials did come out just about a week or so ago. Very new, okay? We mentioned already they've acquired the Freetrade Technology, which is obviously one of their big operational highlights of the quarter. They also planned their first Optt power buoy remote deployment. And what I want to touch on here, they strengthened their liquidity position with a total cash now of $80.4 million. That is a massive amount of cash right there sitting on their balance sheet. And if we compare that with the current market cap of $180 million, you are talking about a massive chunk of that is already in cash on their balance sheet. So They have 80 million of cash on their balance sheet, and this company currently has a market cap of 180 million alone. Not to mention, you know, the IP for this company, how much is that worth? Potential contracts, current contracts, etc. So if you're considering all of that in total there, you could argue that this company is pretty undervalued. Let's quickly touch on their revenue, etc. for that third quarter. It's not a lot, to be honest. They say here it was 0.3 million compared to 0.7 for the same period in previous year. So it's gone down slightly, and the net loss has increased by 0.3 million. They also say here, revenue for the first 9 months of 2021, we're obviously in the third quarter, we've still got the fourth to go, is 0.6 million compared to 1.1. So it is down quite ever so slightly, okay? And they say here the decrease in revenue and increase in net loss for the third quarter, it was mainly attributed to the pandemic related to delays of companies' revenue generating projects. This is why it's a slow burner. I don't think we're going to be seeing 100% gains tomorrow in this company unless they get some crazy deal. But yeah, I think it's a slow burner. It's in an amazing sector going forward. They do have some contracts because they're earning some revenue and lots of things in the pipeline. Just to quickly mention about the IP, this company has 66 different patents and 47 of them currently active, okay, and they can run for up to 2037. So lots of different IPs. It'd be interesting to see exactly how much all of that is worth, etc. Because I think that's pretty big for this company. We already mentioned massive amount of cash, 66 IPs as well, which means people can't copy this. I haven't seen anybody doing something similar to this right now, so I think it's pretty interesting. They had this in October time, Ocean Power Technologies contract with ACET for US Navy SLAMR initiative, and this was the focus on linking the OTP power buoy with offshore 5G communication solutions for unmanned and robotic systems on onshore control. Very exciting, okay, going into the communication sector as well with the 5G communications. So they're working with a few different companies, contracts are in the pipeline, contracts are underway. Things are looking really exciting for this company. Last thing we want to look at here is the stock price. The market is open, so this may move around. We're currently around about $3.55 per share, $3.55, which has had a substantial drop, especially today, you know, a big old drop today as well. And if we look at where we were 6 months ago, we did actually get above the 5. We hit 584. And we are down about 39% since then. For two reasons really, market correction and of course the earnings. People may have hoping for a lot more when they actually got a net loss in this quarter. That doesn't bother me. This is a company I'm holding for the long term. And yeah, I'm excited to see where this goes. Very short market cap for lots of potential here. This is more risky because it is a penny stock. And of course, they don't have any incredible contracts right now bringing in millions and millions of dollars. So there is all to come, all to look forward to. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So if you are planning on investing, you should always do your own research first. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I have been buying for some time, so I am sitting on about 20-25% gains at this moment in time. However, would I add at these prices? Yes, I would definitely nibble away, especially on days like today when it has dropped down about 11-12%. So that's my thoughts on this company. Let me know what you're thinking, and if you've enjoyed this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. Really is appreciated. Until next time.